You're watching Phonics for Kids. What sound are we learning today? That letter is called A and it makes the sound A. Say it with me, A. A is for apple. A, apple. Can you hear A in these words? A, ants. A, antelope. A, acrobat. Which word has the A sound? Is it moon, stars, or astronaut? That's right, it's astronaut. Astronaut. What word is the Blendasaurus trying to say? Let's help him. Blend the sounds together to make a word. At. That's right, he's trying to say at. You were amazing. The next sound to learn is S. Subscribe to our channel for more phonics videos that will help you learn to read. See you next time.